How's it going, guys? Today we're going to do a video on Guilty Luinor Karma Destroy. So it doesn't have that gimmick where the destroys free spins, so yeah, that's a little disappointing, but going to do a couple battles with it. And yeah, first opponent, Holo Gym Size. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, let's do it. Chasing it. Good attack. Holo Gym Size is very light, so Guilty can attack win. Get that to win for Guilty. Next we'll go up against Glide Dynamic. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Let it in. Let it in. Big attack. Oh, and a burst full Glide Ragnarok. Right, next bay we have will be not yet. Savior, Valkyrie. Already jumping. So the other mode for contract that it has is like a metal orbit kind of thing. So yeah. Okay, now we're gonna go harder. Fully packed Dynamite Belly Owl. Guys, so for my Zay Reacts channel, we're going to upload a video every week on maybe Thursday. And then my gaming video will be on Friday. But I will not be making a video on Friday because I need to go to India. Alright, so yeah. Even harder opponent, we're going to go Astral Spryzen. And then we're gonna go we're gonna go Greatest Raphael, Guilty Longinus, and then we're gonna go Chain Cabez. Which will be cool. Let it, wow. I currently don't have Ultimate Valkyrie with me, so we won't be doing that. Astral Spryzen is just absorbing all of those attacks from Guilty. And that's a win for Astral. So we're only going to do 1 point matches, just because. Okay, Greatest Raphael in defense mode, which is debatably the best mode. Let it rip. Let it rip. Good attacks from Guilty, but it is losing stamina. Oh, come on, Guilty might win this actually. Oh, never mind. Alright, now Guilty versus Guilty. The big match. Let it rip. Let it rip. Let's go! That's good. Guilty Longinus is going to center so we can just attack it in. Wow, good attack from Guilty Longinus. Alright, now the ultimate battle against an ultimate Beyblade. Chain Cabez. which is one of debatably one of the best Beyblades ever released. Good attacks. Actually, it's really good attacks. If it's affecting chain conveyors, then it's a really good attack. Chain conveyors is one of the best defense ever. No way! Oh, I thought Guilty actually won there, but no. Do one more match because that was actually really close. Absorbing the attacks, chain conveyors. Literally not even affecting it at all. Oh, just use the stadium boost to slow down and then speed up. Oh, Guilty won that, no way! Alright guys, that'll be the end of this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you later.